Whoa! All my homies headed to the same thing.
Yo, what the heck is going on? I'm with my pops here. We're at the junkyard. What's going on, Dad?
Not much. How you doing?
We're just hanging out, recording on the iPhone today. Figured out that I could clean the little microphone here,
Cool.
and that worked out well. He's got all my tools here. We're gonna pop out the headlight. We got an E30 here. Got some grill clips, a center chrome grill. Looks to be in good shape. No dents or nothing. So yeah, that's all good stuff. Oh, he's already got a grill out. Real easy. I'm gonna go ahead to the Bronze It and show you guys the Bronze It really quick. But hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I cleaned out my audio little thing, so we should be good. This is pretty much what my car looked like. Same color, same bumpers. It was a two-door, obviously not damaged like this. Man, this car's hurting pretty bad. Stuff all over it. Yeah, didn't see much from here that I could use. Didn't see much from here that I could use, but maybe thinking about getting the carpet. We'll see about that. I kind of want to go tan and carpet. I think that would be kind of interesting. Not sure yet. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Kind of want to switch things up. Something different. I like it, you know? But would I have to go tan? Door cards is the question. These are the questions. No, I'm just kidding. Probably not. But yeah, let's go help my dad, see what he's up to. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys don't mind the iPhone vlogs. I'm not gonna do them all the time, but I will do them if need be, if I have to, so. Yo, thanks, that was pretty nice and quick. My brights flicker, so this one like snaps better when we're using the headlights. So we're gonna see about using this instead. What's going on? Anyone to name this car down below? I know it's a Mazda blank F something. I know there's the FC. I'm pretty sure FC is the one after this. I am not sounding like I know what I'm talking about. I do like FDs though, a lot, and I love rotaries. But yeah, hey Dad, are we able to pop this? Or did you already do it? That's the rotary?
That's the rotor.
Man, it looks weird. Little.
Look at how small the exhaust ports are.
I know. Do you guys see the spark plugs? Yeah, it took me a minute for me too. They're right there. That's really weird. Anyways, yeah, I don't know anything about rotaries, but this car's cool. Alright, let's go take a look at this E30, I guess. That's it over there. Not sure what I might need over here, but it's good to know I got cars here to grab stuff from, you know? So yeah, I was just telling my dad, I think I might do like light colored lights with light grills, since I got like the chrome grills, which are in his hand right there. And then I could do the dark smoked headlights with the black grills. So I have like two different front end options, if that makes sense. I don't know. I figured I would wrap up today somewhere a little different, and then really kind of throw you off a little bit and be like, yo, what's up with Drew, and why is he very echoey and have tile in the background? Well, I'm in a Chipotle bathroom. Just thought I'd let you guys know that this vlog is kind of just going with the flow, very spur of the moment. But like I said, if it works out, then I'm gonna end up doing iPhone vlogs a little more often because it's like a little bit different. I figured I would make this entirely an iPhone vlog. Check out my hair. I'm gonna go get a haircut. It's looking a little long on the sides there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little junkyard thing that was going on. I apologize, I'm kind of talking soft. I hear my mom on the phone or something. But yeah, this is me recording with my iPhone, and this is what we got going on today. We got hair, and yeah, I will throw up on the screen right here. These are some shorts that I designed, and they're being sent to me. If you guys like them, let me know, because I might make them like really limited edition kind of thing. Printing on Champion is a big deal. Along with that, I got some of my shirts over here. That one is for sale, just so you guys know. And then also we've got other shirts going on for sale. This next year is gonna be super sick. I got something in the mail. I'm gonna throw a screenshot of it right here, a little sneak peek, super quick. Yeah, that's gonna be next week's vlog or the week after. We out here. It's gonna be tight. Let me know what, if you guys want anything, just let me know on Instagram. I do apologize, that was a weird way to end that clip, so let's end it a little bit weirder. I don't know if I've said it yet, but I do want to let you guys know that it is very important if you guys hit that subscribe button, and then also that notification bell, the notification bell being that you're reminded about my videos. I'm putting a lot of work into making sure you guys are getting quality content multiple times a week. Is my main goal. So yeah, make sure you guys go do those things. What's going on, you guys? So I figured I would end the vlog right here. Yeah, I'm sitting here at a light. I figured that they're laughing at me next to me that I'm freaking vlogging and stuff, but I got my hair done, so that's pretty sick. I like it. Let me know what you guys think of my hair. I'm definitely growing it out, so there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. LYV gang, we out.